Replacing the brake shoes on this 2006 Chevrolet Colorado. It's a fairly simple job. This truck's been sitting for a while, as you can see, a lot of rust on the disc here, but that's no big deal. Basically, all we've got 13mm bolt or a 1/2 inch bolt here, one down here at the bottom. Loosen the bottom one, take the top one out. The caliper will lean back. You can remove the pads, put the new ones on, reassemble, and you're ready to go. I'd already loosened those. Had to break them free first. Top bolt is out. Lower bolt is loose. Just work the caliper off. There you go. Okay, so these caliper pistons, as the brake pads wear and you're pressing the brake pedal, the hydraulic fluid is squeezing them together to stop your car. So as the brake pads wear down, these hydraulic pistons have been moved forward. So in order to get these to fit around the new brake pads when we install them, we need to compress these a bit. We use a large C-clamp here. Just put one end of it on the piston and one on the back side. Give it a few turns, and we're essentially just pushing that hydraulic fluid back through the piston and moving that piston back in the caliper so it can fit around the new brake pads. Okay, that one's finished. So now this one actually has two pistons. Most vehicles are like that. So we're going to compress both of them. Okay. Alright, that's finished. Fairly easy. Now all we have to do, we're going to replace our little holding hardware here. These just snap off. Fairly simple. Got our new hardware. If you'll notice, the slot here that goes around the disc, one side is more narrow than the other side. The wider side goes to the back of the piston, or the back of the disc, I'm sorry. So, and it cradles the tab of the brake pads. So we'll set that in place, snap it in. Top one's just the same, wide part to this back. Snap that in place. I'm replacing the pads with these Bosch, they're the blue line, the Bosch ceramic pads. I'll add a tag in the description for this part number that I purchased them on Amazon. Fairly inexpensive, very easy to do. So the tab here goes into those little snaps. Just snaps in place. Lower. Snaps in place. Now that we've compressed our pistons, that should slide right over. Not quite. Need to compress a little bit more. There we go. back in. Leather bolts in. Never took it out all the way. Alright, get those snugged up. Just tighten these bolts back into place. And there you go. That's pretty much it. All we need to do now is put the tire back on, take it off the jack stands, and we're ready to give it a little test drive. One thing to remember though, when you get back in the car, make sure you pump the brake pedal several times until it's stiff, just to make sure we move enough hydraulic fluid back through the lines to tighten it up before we start trying to drive the vehicle. Hope you like this video. Please comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Trying to save you a little money by doing it yourself.